What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle, and in today's video we are going to reinstall my Road Rider Industry LED front turning signal. Obviously, as you can tell right now, it only lights about 80%, and I already called Road Rider Industry and they already sent me a new piece. So today we're gonna install it, and that's gonna be the video today. So let's go to the intro. Now let's go check out this video. So good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. So this is gonna be very simple, very quick. It's the same thing as if you're installing it for the first time, it's gonna be the same exact thing as reinstalling it again. So what happened was, obviously, it only lit, like I said, it only lit up that, like, I don't know if you can tell, it might be hard to tell, but it's only lit up about 80%, and within one day I called. This is about after a year of riding, and it is lifetime warranty. So I called Road Rider Industry, and the date of, they literally told me to send a picture of it. So I sent a picture, and they looked at it and said, yep, that's in the warranty. And within 2 or 3 days it came in. Within 2 or 3 days the package came in, and now I'm ready to install it. I highly do recommend Road Rider Industry. Like, best customer service for the lights, it is the best protection for the motorcycle, especially when you're at night. This has saved my life several times, so I highly recommend Road Rider Industry. Alright, so let's get done. The first thing you have to do is get a flathead, and then, which these are actually the smoked lenses. Okay, so basically you just gotta pop it out. Ooh, damn, you do not want to do that. We're good, still good. Alright, so we got that out. So basically we are just going to open this right here, push in, twist left, and pop it out. You want to remember where it was, you know? These two were right here, so you can kind of remember these two little bolts, put them right here so it fits. So now we gotta put it on, but then there's this little, like, gel, I guess to say, and you want to put this over these just so it's covered. I'm pretty sure you can buy some of the gel, which I'm not really sure what it is, but I just use this, you know. Alright, and it's pretty simple. The same spot, put in these two spots right here, put them back where it was before. See, it's in, push in, turn right. See, I'll go out. See, it's out here, push it in, turn to the right, it's already in there. Make sure they work real quick. Lights on, and dang, that is bright. Woo, man, I'm getting blind right now. Alright, so now what you want to do is you still want to twist these, you know, twist it so these, oh jeez, you know, twist these to make sure that gets in there. And once those are in there, turn, keep turning. Now that's in there. Now you're going to get the lens again. For the flathead, for the piece right here, you want to put it a little down or on the side. So basically, if you put it on this side, it's not like it's going to be hard to get. So you want to make sure it's on the outside. And once that's in there, we're going to push that in like that. And look, they're in. Make sure they're in perfectly. Make sure it doesn't move. We want to try it out real quick. Nice. Let's try this. Looks good. Alright, yeah, and that's done. That's very quick. Just remember that this one and this one kind of, they land at an angle like this. You push it in, turn it right, and when they're in there, you want to take them out, push in to counterclockwise. This is a very simple video. I did about at least 2,000 miles on these lights, so I will be doing a product review in a week or 2 weeks, maybe 3. So wait for that. So anyways, if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread the positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.